What's going on, guys? Warcheered here, and we are back with some more Dark Souls play. Today we are going to be doing a Dark Souls controller swap run with my brother, Dead of Winter. It's a channel similar to mine, uploads similar content. Go check him out. The link to his channel will be in the description. Highly recommend it. But anyway, controller swap run, Dark Souls 1. It'll be the first Dark Souls 1 content on my channel. I have Dark Souls 2, 3, and Bloodborne. Eventually you should get around to doing some Demon Souls, but Dark Souls 1 is the OG favorite. It's a simple 3 minutes to 3 minutes to 3 minutes to 3 minutes. Controller will swap every 3 minutes. I'll have a timer in there. I have a blue dot system that I'm doing. Whoever the blue dot's under is the person who has the controller. I am on the left. My brother is on the right. When you're looking at the screen on your monitor in the little window, I'm on the left, he's on the right. This is the first face cam video I've ever done, so hello, that is what I look like. I know I'm ugly as fuck. So yeah, there'll be the timer, the blue dot. I did that just so it wasn't confusing as to who has it. I try to be as accurate with it as possible. Sometimes we took a little long switching the controller, so I had to create more space here and there. Sometimes it's really fluid, sometimes it seems delayed a second. So just so you know, that's what it's all about. That's what that's in there for. At the end of the video, I do have a boss kill counter. At the end of every episode, I will make sure the tally is correct to who's killed how many bosses. I believe, we were within 1 or 2 bosses at the end of the run from who has more. But you will have that at the end of every video just so you can keep track yourself. And since it is any percent, which that'll also be in the title, which means we don't have to kill all the bosses. We're basically just killing every boss we need to kill in order to beat the game. I believe it's 15 or 16 total bosses. So that'll be at the end of every video. It'll pop up and be there for like 30 seconds or so. So you'll have that as well. That's pretty much it. Many more videos coming. I know I haven't uploaded a ton in these past month or two. I was on vacation doing a lot of stuff, but now we're back full force. Going to be trying to finally consistently get a schedule. Consistency is going to be key here. I want videos every 1 to 2 days. I'm taking a lot more time editing them. As you notice in this video, the timers, the dots, it takes a little extra time, but it makes the video look a lot nicer in my opinion. So without further ado, we're going to get right into this. This is going to be the only intro 2 videos in this series. There should be about 4 or 5 videos. The videos after this, we'll just get right into it. We won't have any long drawn out intro. I just wanted to explain a few things so that there was no confusion. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in the video.
But this is going to be completely different. I've got a timer set up on my phone here, and every 3 minutes we're going to be handing the controller off as he knocks my phone over. We're going to be handing the controller off every 3 minutes, and we're going to try to beat the game as fast as we possibly can. This is the first time we've done something like this, so it's probably not going to go well. But that's just the premise.
That's what you think.
We're going to try to beat this game as fast as we can by whatever means possible. Skips, dupes, all allowed. That's all allowed. We can skip, we can dupe. I don't have a cheat engine. We can't hack in anything. I don't know how to do ceaseless kill and skip shit like that. Or send skip. I know how to do duke skip. If I fuck it up, we're going to move past it. But that's the premise. Beat Dark Souls as fast as possible, by whatever means possible, whilst switching this controller here every 3 minutes. And basically, this will be uploaded on his channel as well. So if you want to go watch his version over there, I'm sure it'll be different than mine in some way, shape, or form, however he decides to edit it. So you can go check it out on his channel as well. Like I said, link in the description. But we're going to get started. We're going to do a new game. And what should we name this character? What should we name this guy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know what we should name our fucking...
How about...
our abomination? Because we're going to fuck this guy up. We're going to fuck him up.
Evian.
Evian? This is the name of the fucking water bottle we got on.
Can't think of a name. That's a perfect name.
Alright. We're going to go Bandit.
Why?
Because we need
axe
the axe.
OP.
The battle axe is OP. Obviously Master Key. And then we're going to fuck this guy up every way, shape, or form that we possibly can. So you basically just, if you want to make a disgusting character in the character creation, you just take all of these
And mess them
things
up.
here,
Don't you have to like constantly
and then
hit
you
something
go
random?
randomize, and you just keep button mashing, and this might take a while, if I can get it to work. And then you randomize a bit, and then you just switch everything like this
Until you get mind blank.
until you get that's the ultimate goal, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to.
What do you think the odds are of someone actually just randomly getting a mind blank?
To getting like just the actual thing?
Like, without trying.
I think you just hit create similar face. Actually, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Like it's weird now.
I mean, a few of those look weird. You got cross-eyed for a second there.
Epically just fucking.
I mean, you don't have to make.
Oh no! I need to change the slider all the way to different. That's what I need to do. That's why it's not changing.
Because it was the same. Yeah, there it goes.
Oh, now we're getting some. Now we're getting some fucking colors going on there. What is going on with this fucking face? Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
It still doesn't look like crazy different.
What do you mean it doesn't look different? Look at his face.
I mean, I've seen some pretty crazy faces.
He looks very sad. Like he knows he's about to have some trials and
Not do it.
tribulations. Oh, now we're talking. Now we're fucking talking. Now we're talking. I think that's perfect.
Yeah, go side view. Yeah, he's got like that looks normal, but now it doesn't.
He has like a fucking
He has,
football
like,
face.
He has like a. Like
Alright, I think that's enough. And he's like pale white. Perfect.
He has like a fin.
Just like me. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna get started. This is gonna probably go all fucking sorts of wrong. Shut up.
I'm gonna beat out your boss if I first try. I
You're
don't know about
not.
you.
We're skipping everything. So let me turn this down just a little bit more. Just so we don't get any pickup noise here. I don't
Start
want
it?
Yeah, start the timer now, yeah.
Is that gonna have an alarm?
Yeah, it should have an alarm. Just so like we don't like forget.
It's not super loud, is it?
It should, I think it's like half volume. We'll find out. We'll find out how loud it is.
Rip ears.
Yeah, rest in peace, headphone users. Beware. Okay, so we're gonna
Directly up 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
change our equipment there on the ladder, and then we're gonna drop that broken sword whilst opening the door.
It's weighing us down so much.
Yeah, it is.
Thank God we dropped
Well, that just clears up inventory
Thank
space.
God we dropped that.
We're clearing up inventory space. And then this guy's gonna try to drop down. Get fuck off. We got 2 minutes.
Is there a bonfire right there?
Yeah, fuck that bonfire.
Why?
Bonfires for
Why
basic
is there
bitches.
a bonfire right there?
Come back.
I
here.
never even like noticed that.
This guy's fucking up everything.
Just murder him.
No time. You might shoot me in the back of the head though. That's not gonna feel too good.
I one shot you.
No.
You have iframes as soon as you touch a fog gate though, right?
Well, like he can still like hit you when you're coming out of it.
Oh. Oh, you just got hit by that.
I did. I was getting worried for a
Just roll
second.
to the right there.
Regrettably,
Blah 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 blah.
Flask key.
Goodbye. And rip.
He just dies.
Oh shit, that was a fucking.
He lived long enough to give you the key.
That's all we needed for.
Does anyone actually know who that is?
That's Oscar.
Oscar Pastora?
How dare you not know who fucking Oscar is?
Where does he come from?
Oh,
Like,
shit!
What's his part in the lore?
He is the dude who sends the corpse down.
He's not related to like Solera anywhere, right?
No. I don't think so.
He's got, that's Pate's armor from 2? Right.
No, it's just the knight armor.
It's just not
The
the
basic knight.
Just the basic knight.
Yeah. Alright, this should be.
I used
Of
to
this?
die to this guy. I don't know how that ever
Okay, he's
happened.
dead. Right, I thought he was gonna smack me up. Alright, we got 40 seconds left. We're out of here in under 3
And-
minutes.
Hit segment.
That's What was it called? Fucking split. Yeah, that's
Splits.
what the speedrunners call it. Split.
Spleets.
We don't got any splits. We gotta be quick though. We gotta be quick. No time for cutscenes, even though it doesn't really matter because it doesn't count towards
Yeah.
in-game time. We're gonna get this bonfire for safety reasons.
Normally you just keep going.
Normally, yeah. Normally you would. Grab these humanities because those come in handy,
Three
and
humanity.
we're switching.
Now this is where I die.
Don't fuck up. You guys ain't shit. Just keep going. Just juke that guy.
No!
You said this is where you die, and you died.
You can't like get past that guy.
Sometimes you have to like sprint into his body and then juke immediately right. To like if he doesn't move. Sometimes he'll jump right over you.
Yeah, that's RNG though.
Yeah.
I don't like RNG.
That's what that guy does sometimes.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah, we need those souls. Try not to lose those souls. You can kill these guys if you want. It doesn't really matter. There you go. Just don't kill the rat. There you go. Go all the way to the end. Sprint all the way to... You know where the merchant is, right? Yulia,
Yeah.
dude. Go to him and buy the...
Am I gonna get messed up if I
you
just
just
run
gotta
past
buy
all
the
these?
club. No, you should be good. Right into the fog gate. There you go. Mash A. Gotta
Straight
mash
up.
those buttons.
Straight
yeah,
up.
yeah. And then go to Yulia. I don't think that's his name, but the merchant dude down there and buy the club.
Can you actually die from that?
No. You can roll through that. You just have to time it right. Do it right turn.
Right.
Yeah. And then roll into those boxes there. There we go. You go down to him to that door there and buy the regular club.
Well, now, you see,
Skip that dialogue. Fuck the dialogue. Go over to the weapons and purchase the regular club right there.
This?
Yeah. 150 souls.
Is that it?
Yep. And then leave.
thank you
Can I switch to
kindly.
it?
Nope. Not yet.
What's the club
We're
for?
gonna use the club to fight Quaylag.
Am I just going...
You're gonna
one
go
more
just
route now?
up to the tower towards Taurus. I would touch that bonfire right there just for safety reasons. Normally wouldn't touch the bonfire, but I suck at speedrunning. He hasn't played this game in
Like 2
ages.
years.
So we're taking safety precautions.
What? I got
Yeah.
hit coming out of it.
That'll happen. That guy's a fucking douchebag. So,
Oh, I'm just going
kinda
straight to Taurus?
Yeah, no, we're not fighting Taurus though. Walk around in the circle there. Let that guy come out of the
Oh, yeah.
door. Just keep going. Chug when you get out there. Alright.
Go, 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 go.
And open that door right there. Kind of roll around a bit. Get him off your tail.
Am I going in there?
Yeah, you gotta go in there.
Why?
You gotta get the GPR. You need the gold pine resin.
Where is it?
It's through that door there and then the chest. Swap. Get the timer. Alright. Yes, killed himself. Perfect. We're gonna skip Taurus.
Where do we get the master key?
It's a starting gift.
Oh, that's why I banned it as well. Wait, skip Taurus.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just going the back road? Like, through the
Yeah, we're gonna
forest?
get right to Undead Parish and fight gargoyles. And then here we wait for Mr. Havel.
He's weak. You can one-shot you, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's why this part sucks! Okay, we're good. That's a very fucking scary part because you can open that door and you're like, yeah, and then you just get crushed by his freaking dragon tooth. We're gonna go pick up the grass crest. We're not gonna kill the Black Knight because we're not doing.
We're
Black
not
Knight
doing
Halberd.
that kind of speedrun.
Yeah, we just want that grass crest though.
That's like a RNG fest.
That's the most, like, if you're gonna start speedrunning, anybody out there's watching, if you're gonna start speedrunning, do not do Black Knight Halberd runs first. fun.
Whoa. I thought you did not have your shield up.
We're Gucci. I'm gonna go right to Andre.
He just
And-
backhands you with his glaive.
Yo, I wouldn't be surprised.
It's called they call that a spear.
No, it's a halberd in this game.
Isn't it glaive?
In Dark Souls 3 it is. But it's the Black Knight. It's the Black Knight halberd. We need this bow and arrow. For bed.
Oh.
It's a free bow and arrow.
Bed of chaos.
Where's that Black Knight? Oh my god, he's right there. I fell on top of him. And I dealt 3 damage. We take those.
Should just kicked him off the cliff.
We need this crystal lizard here.
What? Rainbow dust? Did you kill him? I've never seen that.
Yeah, that always happens. When we got 1 chunk, feels bad. Or no, we got 2 twinkly, so it feels
Is
good,
that
man.
different
What do you mean?
every time?
Yes, you can either get 1 Titanite chunk and no twinkly, 1 twinkly and no chunk, or any other combination up to like 2 each. But we got 2 twinkly, which is perfect. That's gonna help us
Dork
upgrade
It's Dork Root.
the blacksmith giant hammer.
Dork Root Garden.
Fucking dark right.
Wow, you skip a lot.
Yeah. Alright, here you go. Don't even fight him, just run. Now, you gotta go to him right there and buy 8 Titanite
Where?
shards.
8?
Yeah, 8.
Wait.
Or no, we can't buy it right now. Cancel. Forgetting how to do this. Alright, go up to the top.
Oh, busy.
We don't level up yet, that's right. We use the
We should have more
souls.
souls though, right? 'Cause
Yeah.
it's ours.
Right now you can level up our strength.
Strong.
We need to level up our strength a bit. So level the strength up pretty much like as much as you can. 2 levels there. Perfect. Pop whatever souls we have. They should be on the bar already, I think. Yeah, pop.
They're on our bar.
Yeah. Pop that.
Is it?
X.
That's right.
And then level up some more.
That's enough.
More strength.
Oh yeah, it's only like 700.
Extra 2 levels.
Cool. Cool.
And then we're gonna use the souls we get from. Go to Gargoyles now. Oh, equip the Grass Crest shield too. Don't want to forget that Grass Crest. Now we're gonna take the souls we get from Gargoyle. We'll get like 10k.
And we're gonna dupe them.
No, not yet. We don't have a soul to dupe yet. That's why we gotta be careful with our souls. But we're gonna take the souls from there. Buy 8 shards, I think, and then we're gonna fully upgrade the club, and then that club, and then whatever souls we have level up with. There you go. Put your shield up. Take your shield out. Now, as you're running here to this room, on the left, let the guys hit your shield, and then keep running. Now get that guy out of the doorway there. And then go up the ladder and heal. There you go.
Can they climb this ladder?
Yes. They can climb both these ladders, so.
Why?
Walk up there, heal, and then go through the fog gate, apply a GPR, and then...
Is that
begin
on the
the
bar?
fight. Yeah. That door. Another thing about our guy kind of looks like Mind Blank, the way his face is contoured.
You're gonna have to take this, like,
Yeah.
halfway.
Just keep it steady, kind of go for his tail. For the tail that'll do good.
Wow, his range. Bro.
Somebody one of them now, so we're good. Alright, let's see it. Oh shit.
He almost killed you.
Come over here.
That range is a bit deceptive sometimes. And like when eyes, you just can't see him.
Yeah. No! Shit. That sucks.
You died.
That's fine.
You're not supposed to do that.
I know, I'm not supposed to die. Oh man, dude, he had like no health left too. I was gonna go in and kill him there, but that other one started breathing fire, and I was getting a little nervous, and I kind of backed out of there. And we can't use GPR anymore because we need the other GPR for Quailag, and I mean, theoretically, we don't need GPR. It just kind of helps the fight go quicker, and you do way more damage.
Is there not anywhere else we can get it?
No.
Really?
That's why those 3 right there are so important. Move out of the way, fucker.
You just follow.
He can backstab the shit out of you if you're not careful.
Like that?
Almost. No, I mean like an actual
Yeah.
like a legitimate get fucked backstab.
By Elder Knights. I used to be so afraid of those.
Yeah, they were the most terrifying enemy in the entire game.
Their
The
shield's
longest
amazing
time.
though.
Yeah, Baldur shield, best shield.
Baldur to Black Knight.
If there's anything we need to save the GPR for, it's definitely going to be Iron Golem.
You don't really need. You can get his tail off. There's a lot of like range. They stagger, right?
Yeah. Just try to fucking punch me.
He's like, fuck my tail off. I try.
I mean,
and shoot
I
the
guess he
tail
has a reason to be angry.
off. Shouldn't you be like bleeding out?
Profusely. Well, this is our first roadblock. Do we have any other souls? Do we have any? No, we don't. Shit. Alright. I'm gonna get us somewhat back up there, and then you're gonna have to fight him.
I'm gonna win. Watch. Did I die?
Yeah, you did. Or no, I fucking died. This is all my fault.
You died twice.
This is all my fault.
Told you I'm not gonna die. Watch me just. I'll beat these guys. I fought 60s at once before.
Are you talking about Dark Souls 2?
Exactly.
There you go.
What was that?
What do you mean?
Ooh.
And run.
I'm a champion. 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 Come on, hit me. Hit me.
We're definitely not going to be breaking any world records. You're supposed to block with your shield,
I
dude.
block with my flesh.
I guess that works. You're still alive.
Climb the ladder. Pulse. Climb pulse. I mean, I've done this with like my fist. So,
I mean, it should be easy. Alright, get in there.
easy kill. Easy kill.
There he is. Just kind of R1, two-handed. Alright, you guys are both swinging.
What?
One tail cut. Right off the bat. Okay.
That makes no sense.
Let me take those. Sometimes it doesn't. I think it doesn't take that much. Like, especially if you get a direct hit on it.
Bro, away from the edge, please. I would not like to.
You get. Don't get too greedy. It's easy to get greedy on these beginning fights. There you go. The gargoyles in.
Oh, he is. Ouch. Dude.
Oh shit, you might be fucked. Yeah. It's gonna be tough.
This should be not tough. This is the easiest part of the game.
It is. Well, another thing we're gonna mention, we're gonna be splitting this up into parts, so it's not one big long episode. How long you want to do a part? Like 30 minutes? Because right now we got like another 10 minutes.
Well, how long has it been?
It's been like 15 minutes or so.
Kill gargoyles.
Kill gargoyles and then we'll pause it. We'll pause the
Yeah.
speed run.
Yes.
Alright. Man, this is all my fault in the end because I blew it. I blew it with the GPR.
Like 100%.
I literally blew
I'm
it
not
with
even
the
trying to be
GPR.
nice. I mean, look at my. See that? Like,
Congratulations, somebody else beat the gargoyles, but we can't beat the gargoyles. Block these guys.
No.
Yeah, you gotta. That's why you're supposed to block those guys. No, this guy's in your way.
Come on.
You just got really fucking lucky there. Holy shit.
I'm good at this game.
All it takes for that Chandler to fucking just dink you once. Heal, yeah.
I've
just
played
heal
this
quick.
game before.
You have. We both have played it.
Why
It
do we
doesn't
have-
look like
We
it,
have
but
no Estus flasks. This is not good.
yeah. Oh shit. Here we go. Come here, you bitch.
You stack lock them?
Probably not now.
There you go. Second one's in.
What?
Second one's in.
Yeah.
Second one's in. Watch it. Run, just run out of the way. Just get away from him.
Hit boxes.
Yo. I think they made it so you fight these guys on like a really slight plane because
It's annoying.
but you can also use it to like your advantage. Alright, which one? This guy. No, this guy has no tail, right?
Well, they both have no tail. Oh
What?
my god! They both come. The second one comes down with no tail. So he's injured.
Oh, wait, is it only if you cut the tail first one?
No, he just always comes down without a tail. Fuck you, dude!
You have to heal the unit. I would heal the unit. Or not. I would heal
Not
the
yet.
full. I would heal the full.
You know, full? Alright, I'll do it. And that was a waste.
You gotta get farther away.
I just didn't even need to heal, bro. You're pressuring me. Oh, yes, 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 yes. You're fucking dead.
I was gonna say that feel when it's the one.
I know which one it is. It's the one that's fucking covered.
Oh, the other one. Wait, the other one doesn't have a shield.
Yeah, no, this one's just like basic.
Once I'm playing the other ones, it feels like my guy's like running with bubble gum on his feet half the time.
Oh shit. I'm gonna heal. Please fire, yes. Alright, these fuckers are dead.
Before trade.
Oh my god, dude, if that happened. Ooh! Yes. Alright, they're fucking dead. Talk about things going awry. Oh my lord.
We're still on
Did
pace
it.
for world
We
record.
did it. Yeah. I don't think we really are, but we could be. We don't know. I don't know. I've never seen anyone do a controller swap speed run.
Probably faster than this.
Yes, as half-assedly as this one. I mean, I've actually speed run this game, so I mean, not that I've done it good, but alright. You're gonna get us home to Andre. Fucking Eric Andre's house. Alright, here you go. Alright. Go down, hold B, yeah. Go down, buy one homeward bone, and pop it. We can even dupe it if we wanted to, but we're gonna get a bunch later. Purchase one homeward bone. Dupe it, try and dupe it. Alright, so hit Y. Now go over like towards the wall over there. Alright, now you're gonna hit parry, X start.
This is start
Yeah, so hit parry, X start.
all
Like,
at once.
in the middle of your parry, hit X, and then start, and then hit A. A. And you just duped a homeward bone. Nice. That's the first fucking dupe right there. Alright, now go down to Eric Andre. Fucking Eric Andre. And buy 8, I think it's 8 Titanite shards from him.
Well, you need.
Purchase item. Get 8 of them bitches. Perfect. Now go up there.
Are we
Or no,
using the axe?
reinforce the club to
Neither
plus
of us.
5. We're done with the axe for now.
Well, you need
Well,
any...
no, again. Or just reinforce that club all the way to plus 5. I hate the little confirm message they have. Oh no, we need to. I should have bought 9. Buy one more. I got the math wrong. It's always 9. All right, now we're good. Now reinforce it.
Reinforce.
That plus 5 club. Yes. All right, now go up there.
Go get yourself.
And I think we should have enough to level up like once.
We need club on bar.
Get
okay.
club. Yes.
Can we wield it and roll? We still gonna.
Yeah, no, we're good. We're Gucci. Alright. And then we'll cut this episode here. Give us a level and strength. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright. We're gonna here save and quit. So we're gonna go off in-game time for this. So we'll save and quit to sort of pause our time. But that wraps up the first episode in this fucking controller swap speedrun. Shit's already going wrong. You'll have the controller at the start of the next episode.
We'll just start a new 5-minute fresh.
3 minutes, yeah.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
3
We
minutes.
did like a mock trial 5-minute switch. And it was like too much time in between one, so it wasn't
It went
much-
smoother than that though.
Yeah, it did. It really did.
But we had
We had 2 more minutes each person.
Claymore and we didn't. We took our time. We killed a bunch of bosses.
Yeah. Well, we're amping things up now. The stakes are on the table, so
We're trying to be fast.
that's the goal. Like I said, we're gonna beat this game as fast as we possibly can, which might end up being slow. This is the first time, so.